Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First, Rastafari. You know, see it? So that one here today is sponsored by Kibre Tristan. You know, see it? From Tiverton Road, Rockfort. See? I'm want to know, say, on the 14th of February, seeing Valentine's Day spree and jamboree. Seeing Love Potion Valentine Party table deals. 10,000, 15,000, mega deal, 20,000, platinum deal, $30,000. You know, see it. And again, February the 14th, Tiverton Road. All is welcome, everything cool, security. Oh, we so. You know, see it, because I don't know when man keep them party in them community if they eat a food. Understandably, everybody knows so well then a party time and usually relax the motion and know say we are party till the morning and everybody nice like a foreigner there party in a Times Square or one of them places there. You know, see it, me can guarantee that. You see it. And you don't know, just present yourself, buy out the bar, and enjoy yourself like back in the day when we used to have a pound for pound down the road there. You don't know, Rockfort, bless Rockfort around nice and on cool. And like I always say, give thanks to whatever atmosphere I blow through the place, make it calm and nice for the moment. So you just turn out and enjoy yourself, because Kibre a good youth. You know, see it, Kibre Chestan, Kibre Negas. You know, see it, Father Fuzzy, Big Son. You know, see it, yes. Give thanks, Rasta. Check it out and see what I go on. You know, see it. You don't know, it's today. I man wake up in a mouth star, I'm not telling a lie, because I look at my sister, my father's son get sentenced. I'm a vex, you know, see, because again, I always try my best for burn out them things there, you know, prevent them things there, for see little youth, them lose them life, because another life that lasts, you know, regardless wrong or right. You know, see it, and when I throw the blame game, I play a blame game yesterday, you know, see it. But you see, now going out and we're coming in, we have to always remember we self. See it? And know say every man reality out there can be ours too. You know, see it? No disrespect. But it's very painful. Cause I, you know, more than like for no say, John no star. I feel for my father. I know you feel you. My vex too. You know, see it? And I know my son. You know, see it? But it's a way, as parents, we need to take certain responsibility, you know, and blame for certain things. You know, see it? Because again, regardless of what I go on, certain things where we demand, you know, certain expectation where we have our people them try manifest, you know. No disrespect, you know. Because my father not stepper like me, you know. You know, see it? My father not stepper like Charlie G. Brown in my feed. Enough man in my feed. You know, see it? And you not really get them man the son to do certain things with them man they wouldn't do. You know, see it? Because the communication level dead away. Watch ya. You respect him for no say watch a certain opinion. If me can't come up with certain decision for my own, you know. My father's opinion, it a go be the order of the day, you know, because obviously the man there have my best interest at heart. You know, see it? Rasta. So we have to act with more responsibility, man. You know, see it? And take more responsibility for the actions of we youth them higher. You know, see it? I'm not telling a lie. My heart in a pain because a young little youth that would even living a life yet. You know, see it? And the wickedest thing, whole heap of life that they feel him live because his father rich. You know, see it? Regardless of the circumstance, we get him there say, you know, right or wrong, you know. The man were dead and him now end up lose him life too as a youth. You know, see it? My vex, man. My vex, Rasta. You know, see it? Regardless of how him want, my father himself want procreate and carry for himself or what believes him want of our principle. You know, see, bottom line is it's a young life that we, the whole of we lose, the community lose. Probably you can sing to, you know, probably him could have come sing better than Mavado. He might go a better school, probably him could have come write some better song than Mavado and sing them too. But vex. You know, see it? And the wickedest thing behind all of this is that we can't trust our own Jamaican judicial system. You know, see it? Because from day one, when them want them and tell them, say, yo, we know if we done the vibe between them and Vibes Cartel, and Vibes still have pop up sporadically about the place in a for them name and them little thing there, them becomes a target. From the moment them got a meeting, them becomes a target, come like anything else we go on in Jamaica, them do it. You see? And Vibes Cartel is an example of that. You see, them try to use the man them as example. And I saw our judicial system always work from beginning. You see it. If you find yourself in a certain position with a certain amount of money, yeah, you can buy your way out, yes? My father could have done that, but you don't know what happened. He was a ghetto highlight. Then, see? So he would have make a perfect example. See? His example would have resonated right across to all and community and everybody grasp the message what Babylon are try dealing. You see it? Because Babylon none of time. Babylon too greedy and thief. Jamaican politician too greedy and thief. For spear some of what them a thief from poor people for put that in a resource for deter the youth them from one do certain things and pick up certain things. You see it? The youth them no ambition no dead for them have. You see it? And that is just total hopelessness. You see it? Me can't trust the justice system. If you say my father's son guilty and him deserve it and whatever and rate it. You see it? Me remember in the 1980s, you know, when Siaga come in a power, you know. That's why one of the reasons why it's my highlight Judge Hugh the other day. You see, because me want to further point out how the judicial system take political favors and bribes. You see it and manipulate the process in order to further pursue political agenda. You see, or for political parties look good or appear like them and do something. You see, and during them time the Amnesty International they done point out say half of them money with them on death sentence no deserve it. Not that them not guilty, you know, but the circumstance of the crime or the murder, it does not warrant a death sentence. You know, see? And because most of them money come from a certain political persuasion and them way there, Siaga use the process for murder a lot of them. And the whole judiciary sit back and make it happen. Take for them favors and for them little butter upon them mouth. You know, see? I cannot trust them and I don't trust them and I don't advise anybody to. Not until me see them go arrest some politician and charge them for some fraud and some corruption and prison them too. That's when I will separate the judiciary from politics. You know, see? Yeah. Mavado supposed to can go pay the Governor General money privately and now. And him offer some clemency to his son. Him can't do it. It him legal to do it. Yeah, go check it out. The Governor General can do it for free. And then he must say free. It's not like say them all go back and say, well then we take our money and that's how it go. See? He must just say that you they make a mistake, him young. Pardon him. Governor General can do that. But again, he's a young Jamaican youth and him black. And him come from the ghetto. See? And him is a perfect example. He make a perfect example of the government no nonsense approach to crime and its punishment. You understand what I say? You know, see, now if a Mavado did a monitor him Instagram feed at the time, Gully News, when we see them put up a thing on it, we say where Vibes Cartel sing a song, you know, we say, like Mavado, me want do road. Part of the song, you know, I say, like Mavado, me want do road. Mavado, them are him crew, edit out a little piece there alone. Like Mavado, me want do road. And you know where them add pan that? Bada Cat say, that will never happen at all. Me do a video about it, say a big bow thing that. You know, see even if I'm not Mavado responsible for them thing there, the people them where you have a monitor your thing, draw down crosses by your son. I saw criminality and prison go. You know, see it. Let me tell you something about prison. The man them work it out from Jump Street, from day that when them from prison just come in. You know, see it. And I saw the nature, the principle of thoughts. Them it work and manifest itself in a them place more than anywhere else. You know, see it. You will see an enemy when you shoot off for the man where you charge for getting him on the crew there war. And the 200 drop of prison. See? On the case now go to work him there down the sound over here so nothing now happen for the case cause stay so from one another. See? And it's the moment when you go so boop. Or something happen, because usually something happen in the prison, you know, where a man just know say, yo, be a East boy them there, you know. Or you see certain things are going on, you know, so every East man have to go so and draw together. You know, see. At them time the dialogue start and fish start bum off a man and know say, John, you know, say the whole of we a human being and John know start watch them. Two of them suffer, yo, you hear me? You see, even when them no come to no agreement, no negotiate, no witness swapping or nothing like that, usually, the matter at hand usually just take time find itself just become irrelevant. You know, see, may I tell you, I've seen it, I've observed it many times over. You see, the moment you can put your heart, your spirit in a position or, you know, try relate to where others have got through, at them time the easiest way to avoid them type of circumstance there. You know, see, your heart and your soul can communicate with that consciousness. You know, see it. Point what me I try to make is, you know, everything on my father do and every song and them little thing them, not like respect to Vibes Cartel or me love you, you're my boss, and nothing like that. You know, see, but you have to offer a prayer, a good word of encouragement, a word of advice, and them little thing the Rasta. And so we know it. We don't show off or laugh after a man in a film thing because our parents grow, we know say, you know, see it, the same thing will come back and take you. And I now say this happening at this case here, you know, general, but boy, I tell you, this look nasty. And it's painful. You know, see it. It's painful, Rasta. I say even you mad man, all when none of my pick the man, I want to see that happen to no youth, man. And worse of all is a little Jamaican with so much potential and so much resource. I think, and there's so much things that youth that could have turned out can be beneficial to all. You know, see it. And if we don't start think them way in regards to the youth, them and have them level of emotion in regards to them development, them benefit, and even when them get hurt, we're not gonna win, you know. Because no sister, we're not in a government, we're not in justice. We don't know, we never have no police. We always think say we have the soldier them, when the soldier them walk out, a different thing. But you see the other day, 2 M16 walk out of camp without no soldier behind them. Them just make foot and walk out, gone. And we don't hear nothing more about it. You know, see it. So it come like say, boy, soldier, when you clean up that place quickly, you know, I do a special argument about that for now. Appeal to you for find back them gun there. Or find the culprit where do it. You know, see, because usually we have a certain level of respect for the soldier them where we separate for them principle different from everybody else in a Jamaica. We separate with respectfully the principles of the JDA from everybody else in Jamaica, every other institution in Jamaica. So when we see things like them here happen, Rasta, it's very disappointing. heartbreaking. You know see it? And need speedy look into. You know see it? We can't make that pass. So you're mad, man. We don't want camp get that way there, even though we know say, but we still will love maintain the integrity of the place. You know see it? No disrespect. Pray for MAVADO'S son. I'm just hope say bust it pan appeal. Somewhere, somehow, Rasta, the Governor General, just give him a blight. You know see it? And him learn. Innocent or guilty, youth, learn and know say leave certain things because this will happen, things like this will happen, your name will get called and things where you might not do. You know see it? Don't know. I'm playing a blame game. Share, like and subscribe. You know see it? Cause we can't blame nobody. We're not playing a blame game. It's just a hope and expect the best. And we're heartbroken because we don't believe in the security forces or the justice systems. You know see? More bless. Share, like and subscribe. Rastafari.